Welcome to our comparison of two of AMD's popular processors, the Ryzen 5 5600X and the Ryzen 5 7600. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to determine which processor stands out in today's market. Both processors are designed for gamers and productivity enthusiasts, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X is known for its strong gaming capabilities, especially at 1080p resolutions. It features a boost clock of 4.6 GHz, making it a solid choice for gamers. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 7600, built on the Zen 4 architecture, boasts a higher boost clock of 5.2 GHz, which translates to improved performance in both gaming and productivity tasks. With both processors offering 6 cores and 12 threads, the 7600 takes the edge with its newer architecture and higher clock speeds, making it a better option for those looking for cutting-edge performance. In terms of features, the Ryzen 5 5600X utilizes the older AM4 socket and supports DDR4 memory, which is still effective but lacks the latest advancements. Conversely, the Ryzen 5 7600 supports the new AM5 socket and DDR5 memory, offering future-proofing for upcoming technologies. Additionally, the 7600 supports PCIe 5.0, which provides faster data transfer rates compared to the PCIe 4.0 support of the 5600X. This makes the 7600 a more attractive option for those looking to build a high-performance system that can take advantage of the latest hardware advancements. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X is priced at $299, which may be considered high for some users, especially given its older technology. In contrast, the Ryzen 5 7600 is priced at $229, making it a more budget-friendly option while still offering superior performance and features. This price difference can be a significant factor for consumers looking to maximize their investment in a new processor. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and the Ryzen 5 7600 have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5600X is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the 7600 offers modern features and better performance for a lower price. Depending on your needs and upgrade plans, either processor could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.